Hi my friends, it's Fawad again with one more video. This time it's for my DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I was following DJI. I had a drones, Phantom 3, Phantom 4, and now I have a Mavic Air. So I like the stabilizer and this kind of for my phone to make some videos for the travel, my travel videos and all those. So I ordered this one, and I like the packing actually. The DJI always pack their products like premium look is same like the Apple packing like before those iPhones and iPads. So and over here is serial number and made in China and everything. I was following them and checked those when they launched that Osmo Mobile 2. I was excited and right away I ordered for it, and it's a little bit late, but it's not that bad. And actually, they sent me on the Friday, so I was following it, tracking and everything. So here it is. It looks nice. The box is so good, and okay, this side. All right, I need one again to cut this one over here because. All right, let's go. Oh, okay. So this is the book. I think it's some documents like quick start guide and Osmo Mobile to some. All right, so these are some documents showing quick start guide and all those, and this is the DJI packing actually came in. And we can use it as for keep it in the luggage or keeping in when you're taking it for travel, so to keep it safe. So it's beautiful actually as per I was expecting. It's so good. Oh, it's a micro SD cable for charge that Osmo Mobile 2, and the battery is for 15 hours actually. So good. The quality is a little bit plastic, so it's not that good. But as per the old Osmo Mobile one for 299 and this one is 129, for sure this is very good. I like this vertical and horizontal feature, and we use that screw at the back and to use it like for horizontal or landscape or kind of you can say Instagram style videos. So that's beautiful. That's a good addition to that. And actually it's not that bad actually. The quality is good, and this is at the back. So at the back here it is a USB case, so we can use the Osmo Mobile as a power bar to power bank too, and it's not that bad actually. It looks plastic, but it's strong, so it's a power button and that thing. All right, let me check to how much battery it is, and I charge it and come back. Let's see how it works on my with my Note 8. All right, so I just turn it on, and we have to just connect it with our Wi-Fi with the Osmo Mobile, and it's good to go. So we have that joystick kind of on the left hand side, and in the bottom is a power button. And click it twice, oh, click it thrice, and it's move it to the front to the back camera. Uh, Click it twice to it lock it there. When you move it, it's not shaky, no nothing. And let's see, it's my first gimbal uh, stabilizer, so let's see how it goes. It's my first experience, so hopefully I love it. I want to use a lot of actually try a lot of features it comes with, like the hyperlapse and time lapse, and I want to try the autofocus and follow. So please like and subscribe if you like my video, and I will keep on posting new videos with new products.